Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Access tutorial 13. In this video, I'll talk about how to update and append queries in Access. So let's get back to the practical stuff. So here in this table, you can see country name. There are three countries appearing here: Brazil, China, and United States. So I want to update the country name. Wherever the country name is China, I want to replace it by India. Okay, so Alt CQD and then I'll select example table. What I want to update country, right? Click on update, and here update to, you have to put which country you want to update, right? So I want to update this country as India, and criteria which country you want to replace. So in place of China, wherever country name is China, it will replace it by India. So if you look at the SQL view, you can see in where clause example dot country is China, set the value of country as India. So update example is table name, set country is a column equal to India wherever country name is China, right? If I run this, so there are 227 rows updated. So that means in 227 rows China country was present. But now you will see in 223 you will see country name is India. So you can see 227 here. So total 227. Visit by India, our great country India. So now I want to create one more column here, like, and I want to update that value like category. So wherever age is greater than 60, so that means this category is senior citizen, right? So first I need to create a column because there is no category column here. So all I need to do, I'll have to go to design view. I'll create category at as short data type and I'll save it. So if you look at table, so you will find a blank column here, right? So far it does not have any value. I'll go and create a query, example table, and go to cat and click on update. So because I want this column to be updated, so I'll write here cat as senior citizen. And now criteria, you should not put criteria because category column is blank. So criteria column will come from age column, right? So I'll select age. In criteria, that is where clause, I'll put greater than 60, right? If you look at SQL view, so in where clause you will see wherever age is greater than 60, so those rows have to be updated as senior citizen. If I run this, so you will see 88 rows were found wherein category is updated, right? If you look at here, senior citizen, you can see 62 years. Again, senior citizen, 62 years. So if you put filter on senior citizen, you will find age must be greater than 60. So you can see 61, 62, 63, 64. So this way you can update a column and you can add a column. Now I wanna showcase how to append data into it. So so far I have 1000 rows here. So here, in order to append more data into example table, so you will have to use Alt CQD. For the timing, I cancel it and I click on append, and I'll choose the table wherein you want to append data. So that means you want to add more data. So that is example table from where you want to append or add data. So that is the same source, the linked data file. So 1000 rows are already there. I want to append more. So I'll select all these columns till country, and you can see. So this is the source from data, and this data is being added in example table. If you look at here in SQL view, you will see insert into the whole SQL queries. So it is inserting into example from data table, which is a linked table or linked file. If I run it, so you will see 1000 are being added into the example table. Example table will have 2000 rows. So now you can see China and India as well, because from old data we are getting India as well. So this way we can append data. We can append more data into it from other source as well. So far we have this source, even we can append data in from other source as well. I'll keep this video till this point. In next video we will talk more about queries. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.